feels so good to be back in the GTR. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another John Drives video. Today it is time to go ahead and get back into the SKYLINE GTR. Now I know you guys haven't seen this car on the channel for a little while, and I will go ahead and tell you why in a second. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 1989 Nissan SKYLINE GTR. I got this from the JR Garage Boys up in Washington, D.C. It was probably about maybe 6 months ago or so. The car's been treating me great, except for a few small issues with it. Now I used to drive this car on the weekends a lot, and it was doing pretty good, except one thing I realized is that it needed some fans. The RB26 still has the mechanical fan, and it tends to overheat a little bit if you sit still for a while or sitting through a drive-through or whatnot. So ended up picking up a Mishimoto dual electric fan, one of these bad boys, to go on the Mishimoto radiator that's already in the car. So it should just bolt up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this wiring harness. I got this here, this Chase-based wiring harness I got for the 240. I'm not going to use it for the 240, I don't really need it, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use it for the SKYLINE whenever I install a fan. Something else that's wrong with the SKYLINE is the battery doesn't tend to hold charge very well. I'm not sure what it is. I think something might be drawing from it when the car's off, and that is causing it to die frequently if you don't drive it, you know, every 2 or 3 days. If it sits for 2 weeks or so, the battery's gonna die and it won't recharge very well. I do have a trickle charger. I need to put it on there so we can get the battery up and charged, and hopefully that'll fix it. I did recently replace the battery, so it should be decent, but it does have that real small JDM battery that just sits up in the front, but that still should do the job. If this is your first time seeing the SKYLINE, let me go ahead and show you what all the car has. It is currently under the Beamer right now. It's an 89 full GTR RB26. It does have some coilovers and some nice wheels. The front body kit, the reason it's matte and the hood and the rest of the body is gloss is because the previous owner before JR ended up replacing them because he said they were cracked, and this is supposedly like black primer is what he said, and he just never got around to painting it. I'm not really going to paint it right now. I will repaint the whole car eventually down the line, but for now I'm just going to leave it how it is. It's got some nice little side skirts and this nice little kit on the back. It's real subtle, but it's tastefully done. I really like how it came out. It's got a nice exhaust, shoots little baby flames every once in a while. The interior is pretty darn clean for what it is for an 89. I got my battery jump pack over there. It's got a Sparco steering wheel, and that's about it, honestly. It has a shift knob too. Oh, some more big news for the shop. We got ourselves a little air compressor here. It's a 60-gallon. I'm planning on putting it back in that corner back there. I just need to get somebody out here to wire it in professionally because I don't really want to mess with that and screw something up. But that should power our tire machine over here for all the drift cars, and all the tires we'll be mounting for those. But back to the SKYLINE. It is a beautiful day outside. Let's go ahead and get the door open and get to washing it. Alrighty, got the GTR looking all spick and span. Looking pretty good. The paint's not perfect in some spots, but it's pretty good for what it is now. At some point in this video, I would like to get the GTR up on the lift and make sure that the all-wheel drive system works. Now, I have noticed whenever it's like raining and it gets into boost, it'll spin the back tires, but the fronts won't engage, and there's like a little meter on there too, and that's not working. So I'm wondering if like the all-wheel drive system or the, I forgot exactly what it's called, but there's some sort of like pump or something. I just need to make sure that the all-wheel drive works And if it doesn't, we can figure it out after that. We'll just hope it does. But the way I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna get on the lift, put it in first gear, and see if all 4 tires spin. I think that's how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and jump it with my red BMW back there. I'm gonna take this thing for a little bit of a spin and then kind of start eyeballing and mapping out the fan install. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna get around to that today. This camera's not liking to focus, but we're gonna try. Oh yes. Got it hooked up. Hopefully that's charging enough. Let's, I need my keys. I need the keys. Ow. Whoa. Yes sirree. It feels so good to be back in the GTR. Man, I'm so excited for summer to come and we can get out in this thing. After I get those Mishimoto fans in there, it should be good to go. I'm just watching the temps right now. I've only been driving for like a minute. I'm gonna hopefully get this battery charged so we can get that taken care of and get this car a 100% ready to drive so I can drive it more often, make more videos, and just overall enjoy the car more. Well, I'm at the house right now. I left the trickle charger here, so I'm gonna go and run an extension cord from an outlet to the car. We're gonna get it charging because I don't think it's gonna start back up. And also, she was getting a little bit warm, so I do need to definitely put that Mishimoto radiator in. I'm standing on the trailer right now because it's kind of a cool shot for you guys. But I'm gonna go and get that charging and check back in with you guys. I made a little trip over to Jack Davis's. This is his Pro-Am E36.
The front end back together. Underneath the car, I can put the new front wheels on. Run the front sway bar again.
Is it dry?
Yeah, it's dry. Yep,
oh yeah, that looks really nice.
Got the digital dash almost ready to go.
Got the Digi Dash. Looks good.
Then,
so all you have to do is put the motor in the car.
That's the old motor.
Put the motor
last night.
in the car. All pretty much you're rebuilding the whole front end. You got how many weeks? 2? Oh, not that. You gotta bleed that now. Feeling that. Ooh. You didn't get that right.
I did.
Alrighty, so we're gonna see if the Skyline's all-wheel drive is working or not. It should. Theoretically, you put it up in the air, put it in first gear. I think all 4 should be spinning. I don't really know. I need to look it up for sure. This is supposed to be like, it's like a limit thing, isn't it? Like it slips, it senses it.
It should, yeah.
So it's slipping. Should kick in the front. We'll see.
It's kind of hard to see the wheels. They're black.
Are you ready?
Yep. It's all-wheel drive.
Yeah. You can see the gauge. Come here. See this gauge? That gauge right there. It says front torque, and right whenever I let off the clutch, it spiked up. So it is all-wheel drive.
Yeah, no flames, I'm disappointed.
It's been cold, alright? Alright, that's good to know. Now we can move on to the fan sometime. Get that situated in the battery. Glad that the Skyline all-wheel drive actually works. I really doubted it working, so that kind of eliminates one problem we need to do with the car. Now Jordan's pulling in his 240. We're gonna get that thing ready for a drift event coming up here in a few. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap up his car, get it ready for the drift event here in about a week or so. But the Skyline fan video will come out sometime. I'll probably do that in about a week and a half whenever we get the whole drifting stuff out of the way. And hopefully I can find what's drawing power from the Skylines so we get the battery all working well again. Let me know what you guys think of the Skyline down in the comments below and where I should go with the car here down the road whenever I get to building it. That is going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.